Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I will be doing a review on a webcam I just recently bought, which is the Elgato Facecam, which I'm currently using. I bought this webcam off of Amazon for $150. So I'm going to do the usual by showing what comes in the box, going over the main features of the webcam, showing how to set it up, and also going over the camera hub application. And then at the end of the video, I'll give you my reasons why I bought a new webcam. So other than that, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go over what comes in the box. And the first thing you get is the quick start guide. You get the face cam. You get a mount, which can be used to mount on top of a monitor or a laptop. You get a privacy cap. You get a USB cable, which is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A, and it is 6 feet long. Okay, I was wrong. This cord is about 6 foot 7 inches. And the last thing you get is the little legal disclaimer brochure, which nobody looks at. Okay, so that was everything that came in the box. Now we're going to talk about the features of the webcam. Okay, so now we're going to go over the features of the webcam. And the first thing is it uses a Sony Starvis CMOS sensor. It uses the Elgato Prime lens. It has an 82-degree field of view. It has built-in flash memory, so you can take your settings from the Camera Hub app and save them right to the webcam. And the last thing is it does not have a built-in microphone, so you have to use an external one. So that's pretty much the main features of this webcam. So now I'm going to show you how to set up your Elgato Facecam, and it's actually very simple to do. I'm going to show you how to mount it onto the top of your monitor or use a camera stand like I have right here. So the first thing I did is I plugged in my USB cable into the back of my computer into a USB 3.0 port. On my computer they are blue, and if you look at the end of the cable they provide you, it is also blue, so pretty much match blue to blue and you should be good. The next thing I did is I took my webcam and then I took the USB Type-C end and I plugged it into the back like that. And then pretty much the only thing you have to do from there is if you're going to mount it onto the top of your monitor, you just pull this bottom portion down like that. Then you can set your webcam on top of your monitor like that, and then just make sure it's secure. Then you can remove your privacy cover like that. So if you're going to use a camera mount instead of the mount they provided, it's actually very simple to do. The only thing I would do differently is make sure you unplug the USB Type-C end from the back just so it doesn't get all twisted when you're twirling it on there. Then all you got to do is just remove the mount by just unscrewing it. You got a 1/4 inch female on the end right here. Right here I have a 1/4 inch male. So I'm just going to make sure that's down all the way and then just kind of line it up until it pops into place. I don't want to drop the camera. There we go. And make sure it's in position where you want it to be. The only thing you have to do after that is make sure you plug in your USB Type-C end into the back of it. Like that. There we go. We're all done. Okay, so this is the Camera Hub application. This is the program you would use to pretty much mess around with the settings within the webcam, and you can download this straight off of Elgato's website. So this program you would use to pretty much change your picture quality, your exposure, your white balance, or stuff like that. And it's actually pretty easy to do. All you gotta do is just slide these sliders around, and then you can just hit save and save it straight to your device. I'm going to just leave mine where I have it set up just because I like it. So when you would save it to your device, when you would go into like Streamlabs or OBS, it should just carry straight over into there. Okay, so the main reason I decided to buy a new webcam is for clips like this where I'm sitting in front of the computer to look a lot better. Recently, I feel like my old webcam really hasn't been cutting it anymore, so I thought it was time for a change. So hopefully this face cam can actually improve the quality of my videos, and that's pretty much it. So that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and also don't forget all the links for the products used in today's video will be down in the description, and that's going to be it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.